Here is how to change FOV in Apex Legends. FOV stands for Field of View, and it either makes the gameplay for you better or worse, depending on your playstyle. What you have to do first is load up your game, and once you're in the lobby, open up your game menu and click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, go to the Video option, and here you can see your FOV. Change the FOV how you want it to be, or where you are comfortable at. Changing the FOV higher makes you see more of your surroundings but makes the enemies a little bit smaller. And lowering the FOV makes you see less of your surroundings but makes the enemies a little bit bigger. Test different FOVs in the firing range and pick what's best for you. And that is how you change FOV in Apex Legends.